If you want to see your vegetables grow faster, greener, and produce more fruits, this simple homemade liquid fertilizer can make a big difference. It's easy to prepare, cost-free, and very powerful for plants. After just a few uses, you'll notice stronger stems, greener leaves, and more flowers turning into fruits. Many gardeners use this kind of fertilizer regularly to boost the health of their plants naturally, without using any chemicals. You can give it to tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, or even leafy greens, and it will support their growth at every stage. First, take the peels from 6 bananas and cut them into small pieces. The smaller the pieces, the quicker they will release nutrients. Place these cut banana peels into a small container. In another container, collect the onion peels from around 2 pounds of onions. You don't have to chop them, just make sure they are clean and free of any large food scraps. In a third container, open 5 used tea bags and add the tea inside. If you want, you can also drop the whole used tea bags in. These can be regular black tea or green tea bags. Add warm water to all 3 containers, just enough to completely submerge everything inside. Warm water helps pull out the nutrients more quickly than cold water. After pouring in the water, cover each container with a mesh cloth to keep bugs out while still letting air in. Place the containers in a spot away from direct sunlight and leave them there for at least 1 week. During this time, the ingredients will break down slowly and release their nutrients into the water. After 1 week, check the containers. The water will have changed color, which means the nutrients have leached out. Strain out all the liquid from each container into a big bucket and set aside the solid parts for compost. You'll now have 3 nutrient-rich liquids. Each one can be used alone, but mixing them together creates a more powerful solution, full of different nutrients that plants need. Once all 3 liquids are in the big bucket, dilute the mixture by adding about 10 liters of clean water. Stir everything well so it's evenly mixed. The resulting fertilizer is not too strong, so it's safe for most plants. However, it's best to avoid pouring it directly on the leaves. Use a watering can to pour the liquid around the base of each plant so the roots can absorb the nutrients properly. Use this fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks, especially when your plants are flowering or starting to fruit. Tomatoes and peppers respond particularly well, with better fruit production, fewer yellowing leaves, and stronger overall growth. This works because the mix provides nitrogen for leaf growth, potassium for flowering and fruiting, and calcium for sturdy stems. Over time, the soil itself will also become healthier. This method is a great way to reuse kitchen waste while improving your garden naturally. It's budget-friendly, avoids harmful chemicals, and supports sustainable gardening. For more natural fertilizer recipes and garden tips, check out other videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share with fellow gardeners, and like the video to support us.